Today, John and I are making Cranberry Pumpkin Dog Cookies. This is episode 4 of turning leftover pumpkin into Christmas desserts, but today it's for your dog. We love Nummy Tum Tum organic pumpkin when cooking and baking for John, and I'll let you in on a little secret. This is the same pumpkin as Farmer's Market organic pumpkin for you, so you can also eat this too. Start by adding 57 grams of melted coconut oil to a large mixing bowl. Next, add in 113 grams of pumpkin puree, 1 large egg, and 43 grams of raw honey. Mix using a hand mixer just for a minute to combine the egg. Next, add in 127 grams of all-purpose flour, 113 grams of oat flour, 50 grams of rolled oats, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix together until combined into a smooth dough and there's no flour bits. While I'm using my hand mixer here, you can also do this in a stand mixer or even with just a spatula. John decided not to help in the kitchen today. He's watching from his bed, waiting for these cookies to be ready for eating. Next, chop half a cup of fresh cranberries. John doesn't like the big pieces, we found out, so now I make sure to chop them really small. Fold the cranberries into the dough with a spatula. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Using your hands, roll the dough into 24 balls and place on the baking sheets. Space them evenly apart, you'll get 12 cookies per sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes or until they are lightly golden brown on the bottoms. I think John knows that the cookies are ready. Your dog will love these homemade pumpkin dog cookies, and they make the perfect snack for movie night. This is your sign to make cookies and watch Christmas movies with your dog this holiday season. If you want more organic dog treat recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.